The Clarke CPSB100B pressurized sandblaster is a heavy-duty steel-constructed sandblaster for the quick removal of surface rust, paint, dirt and grease. Its pressurized design gives greater power than the siphon-fed equivalent, and it allows the facility to control the flow of both the abrasive and the outlet air. The tank volume is 32 litres or 7 gallons, which gives an abrasive capacity of 40 kilograms. With a flow rate of 6 to 25 cubic feet per minute and a working pressure of 4.4 to 8.6 bar or 65 to 125 psi, the CPSB100B will make quick work of cleaning even the grubbiest materials when used with one of the many powerful Clarke air compressors available from our range. Depending on the task at hand, a wide range of abrasives from Clarke are available, including garnet, glass, and of course sand. Also available is this quick and easy to install Clarke CSBCT Soda Blast Conversion Kit, ideal for more delicate cleaning where a softer abrasive is necessary. The CPSB100B is supplied with a safety shutoff valve, spare gun closing pad, 4 assorted ceramic nozzles, a pressure gauge, hose, protective hood, sieve and funnel, and will help you to blast clean for many years to come.